Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow yams. First, let's get our yams ready. You'll want to peel and cut about 3 pounds of fresh yams into 1-inch pieces. Then, boil these pieces in water until they're nice and tender, which usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, make sure to drain them really well before moving them to a large mixing bowl. This initial step sets the stage for a delicious side dish. Now, let's create that irresistible sweet yam mixture. To your drained yams, add 1/2 cup of packed light brown sugar and 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter. Next, stir in 1/4 cup of orange juice and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mash everything together until it's mostly smooth, but don't worry if there are a few small lumps. They add a nice texture. This blend of flavors is what makes marshmallow yams so special. With our yam mixture ready, it's time to assemble this delightful dish. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease a 2-quart baking dish to ensure nothing sticks. Then, spread the mashed yam mixture evenly into the prepared dish. Finally, generously arrange about 2 cups of mini marshmallows over the top. This creates that iconic sweet, gooey topping everyone loves. The final step is baking and serving your delicious marshmallow yams. Place the dish in your preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the yams are heated through and the marshmallows are beautifully golden brown and puffed. Once out of the oven, let it cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the marshmallows to set slightly. Serve warm and enjoy this classic, comforting side dish.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.